Today, we're installing a tubular lock. Before beginning the installation, we need to adjust the bottom of the exterior handle. To adjust, you will twist it to loosen it, then adjust it to the desired position and tighten it back into place. Now we will ensure the handle aligns correctly and that all required installation holes are present. The main lock mechanism should align with the center hole. If there is no bottom hole, mark the correct spot and drill a 1.5-inch hole. By the end of this step, you should have 3 holes, top, center and bottom. We will now install the top and bottom latches. These latches are adjustable from 2/3/8 to 2/3/4. Adjust them based on your door's depth. Remember to attach the latch covers before placing and securing the latches. Start with the bottom latch. Now secure in place. Then proceed with the top latch. For the top latch, make sure the screw hole faces downward when installing. Now secure in place. Now we will prepare the exterior handle. Before installing the handle, we need to insert the spindle into the handle. Then prepare the small cylinder with the appropriate screw. This screw will be the thickest one provided. Place the screw into the cylinder. This will be used to secure the handle. Now, attach the handle to the door and secure it with the cylinder and screw. Now, we will install the lock cylinder. First, attach the washer to the cylinder. Then, adjust the tailpiece based on the thickness of your door. We will insert the cylinder so that it aligns horizontally through the screw hole. Once in position, attach the backplate. Double check that the lock is straight, not tilted or turned. Ensuring all parts are properly aligned. Now we will secure the backplate in place. Partially tighten the screws to hold everything in place. Use the Allen wrench provided to temporarily remove the handle for easier access. Continue partially fastening the screws, allowing room for final alignment. Once everything is aligned, fully tighten the screws to secure the lock. Reattach the handle. Lastly, we will attach the strike plates. Once attached, we will test the mechanism to make sure everything operates smoothly. And that's it. Your tubular lock is fully installed.